Now, sometimes I like to make fried chicken. We tend to eat more healthier at our home, but I do like to fry chicken every once in a while. And when I do, I go get it fresh at our local meat market, because I know that I feel like they take better care of their chicken. Like when I get it, I don't see a lot of hair. I don't feel like the chicken was abused, just put it like that. If I buy some wings and they're extra huge, I'm not eating them. And if I see dark spots, I feel like whoever like killed the chicken abused it. So I guess it got loud. Listen, I take that serious. Like I don't want my meat to be abused, because
those probably have.
Yeah, like you know how I say, like if you abuse something and you eat it, it's when you eat it, I feel like you take that energy. That's just me. So if I have a feeling, you would call it intuition. If I have that feeling that chicken was abused, I won't eat it. I don't care, and I won't even take it back to the store. I just throw it away and just go buy something else. I don't put myself through all the stress of like, hey, I don't want this chicken because it has a spot. But if you pay attention to your meat, if your chicken has like dark spots, or those sometimes that some chicken be having like, they look like little cysts to me, and I will throw the whole bag away. It's like, what did that chicken have before you killed it? I stick with a more all natural chicken. If I can find it in the stores, I will. I know they're not going to advertise, oh, these wings are all natural. No. If one meat to me comes off as though it's been like abused or not properly treated before it was killed, it's like a feeling I get. I will not eat meat for weeks. I got it now. What is he, Daddy? I actually think I have some at home. There we go. And I think that's how it's pretty slow. And 138. And I think that's not it. And let's see if these are the ones. Oh, these are cute. This is why I didn't come to the store. They're cute. My feet always cold. Oh, so y'all, I just went in there in the Dollar Tree. When was we here last time? Friday. We was here Friday, and I was looking for hand sanitizer. I didn't know it was such a big deal that people needed all hand sanitizer. So when we were here Friday, they said everybody came in and just like brought all the hand sanitizer. So today is Tuesday, and I go in there and I'm getting our stuff, and so I'm like, all right, so when are you guys getting hand sanitizer back in? She was like, funny story. We just got 5 boxes of hand sanitizer, and people came in and brought these boxes. It's like they were waiting on them. They brought all the hand sanitizer within 20 minutes. I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, what are they trying to do? Sell it for double? I mean, it's a good idea, but god dang. It's like they purchasing it all up so that stores can be out so that they can sell it to you for double the price. Shady. I just needed some hand sanitizer. Like, it's really sold out. You're only supposed to use hand sanitizer, I would say maybe twice. I mean, 3 times if you have to, but then you actually need to wash your hands with soap. You see what I'm saying? But really, all we need is containers, because I actually do have everything we need at home to make hand sanitizer. So now we have to go home and pull out the hand sanitizer. And we are back home. And I see UPS did not come yet. So, alright guys, I have to take these bags in. And as I said, the drive has made me very tired. So I'm gonna take these bags in, and I have to wait on UPS to do the unboxing. Alright guys, so I am still waiting on UPS. They playing with me. Like, they need to hurry up. It's supposed to be here by 6:45, and I'm sure it's around, because I'm using my phone to record, I'm pretty sure it's like around 6:20. I don't know why they always wait to bring my stuff at the last stop, but oh well, because I still have a box from Amazon. I ordered some stuff from Amazon. Like I said, I ran out of stuff, so let's just cut the bill through this, and then when UPS gets here, I'll do that one. So I had a pretty busy, little busy morning, and I'm ready for like a 20-minute nap. Okay, so all things popping out. So we'll do this one first. This is castor oil, 64 ounces. I ran out of my other one, so I had to order more. So I ordered this from Amazon because I needed it quicker. You see, that's what I got from Amazon, and I also got some more. Y'all, I don't know what that just was. I was like, I was about to run out of this room. So I got some more lip balm containers. I got these from Amazon. They're 1 ounce, and you get a lot. So this is why I choose these, because I did do the ½ ounce, and I thought they were too small. But with the 1 ounce, you can put more of your lip balm in there. And like I said, this is the one I've been using all day. This is rose infused with peppermint, and a lot of people seem to really like this one. And I make lavender infused with lavender buds, and I actually use this. Like I said, for this, you can use it on your lips. It is lip balm, but y'all want to be truthful, right? I will put this on my eyebrows to maintain my eyebrows. I got ashy hands and I don't have any lotion. I'm using this. Why? Because it's all natural. The ingredients I use are just natural oils, and they're all good for anything on your body, your lips, your hands, your feet, anything. But like I said, if I'm out of lotion and it's not on me, I will use this with no problem, and I be glowing. So yeah, that is it for Amazon order I received, and I am still waiting on that UPS. They better come on. All right, so UPS finally came, so let's open up the box. And UPS actually came at 7:45, and they were supposed to be here at 6:45, or their window was 2:45 to 6:45, and it came at 7:45. Some little suckers was late. I was about ready to just go to bed. All right. So I got this from Nature's Garden. I forgot where I ordered from. I got this from Nature's Garden. I was out of a couple fragrances for 2 soaps that I needed to complete for an order. Oh wow. Okay, so I got jojoba oil, and I use jojoba oil in a lot of products, like my lip balm, hair oil, and I think I use this in my body butter. So that's what I got from Nature's Garden, and it's 4 ounces. I don't know why I was expecting it to be bigger, but it's not. Set that aside, and what is this one? I need a Scandalous. I use this fragrance, and this is 8 ounces, and I use this fragrance for my Material Girl soap. This fragrance smells so good when the soap cures. Like at first it doesn't, it smells like it smelled like chemical at first, but after the soap had cured, it smells so good, y'all. I might actually put this in the body butter. What do you think? Comment down below. Let's put that. What else do we have? Oh, and I have Werewolf. Werewolf is the fragrance I use in my soap, She Wolf. Actually, hold on. I think I have this up. Let me get this up. So, Werewolf, I use this fragrance, like I said, in She Wolf, and this is the actual soap. I do have one curing, so I use this, and this is for a order, like I said. But when I made this soap, when I was cutting it, something I never do is I just put the crystals on, and I didn't put them. Usually I just put them in between the inches. Like I inch off the soap so I know what I'm about to cut and where to put the crystals, so they don't, when you cut it, it doesn't like smear through. And I didn't do that this time, so I have a whole loaf of soap that's messed up because I didn't even out the crystals, and the soap didn't cut even, and I just couldn't do anything with it. Couldn't even fix it, or it would have been too thin. So these soaps, you guys, these soaps will probably be in a package when you order. They'll be like free soaps. They won't be cutely even, but this one is actually even. They won't be even, but they will be my little thank you gift soaps until I run out of them. And I think I will probably cut them in half, or thin them down. I don't know, but that's the soap. So guys, that is my entire day. I hope you enjoyed watching me, or ride along with me and talk about random things, and yep, random things, like I said. And hopefully I will continue to make more of these random vlog videos. Let me know what you think. If you would like to see more, you can comment down below, and do not forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to see more, hit the notification bell. Thank you.